Hello friends, this is last video of exercise 8.2. It is true or false. So we have also to justify our answers. So let's solve it. First one is sin A plus B equal to sin A plus sin B, whether it is true or false. So to take it like this, we will firstly solve it as a question. We will solve it as a question. So let first one, first one let A equal to 30 degree and B equal to 60 degree. We will put both sides. So sine 30 plus 60 equal to sine 30 degree plus sine 60 degree. Now we have to solve. So sine 60 plus 30 equal to 90. What is the value of sine 90? Sine 90 is 1. So 1 equal to sine 30 is 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. 1 equal to 1 by 2 and 1 by 1 plus root 3 by 2. So these are not equal. So this statement is false. So this statement is false. Now let's second ones. Second one is the value of sine theta increases as theta increases. Now we have to find whether the value of sine theta increases as theta increases. If the value of theta increases, means firstly we will take sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. Then as like this, the value of sine theta will increase or not. To do like this, we will take an example. Sine 0 degree equal to 0. Sine 45 degree. Sine 30 degree equal to 1 by 2, and sine 45 degree equal to 0.7. Sine 45 degree equal to 1 by root 3 root 2 equal to 0.707, and sine 60 equal to root 3 by 2 equal to 0.866. Sine 90 equal to 1. You would have thought that how these values came. Now I am uh, now I am telling you that you have to solve it by your own way. That these things I have calculated earlier. So from that I am writing here, and all these. I remember all these when I was studying this. I still remember. So you need to remember, or if you don't know, you can find this. So you can see that as the value of theta increases, as the value of theta increases, likely that the value is also increases. You can see here the proof. So this statement is true. And third one, the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. The value of cos theta increases as theta increases. So you can directly say no, because you can watch our introduction video. That in that I told you that it will be equal to sine 90 will be equal to cos, because sine 90 will equal to cos 0 degree, and cos 30 will equal to cos 60, cos 45 will equal to sine 45, and cos 60 will equal to 1. But in this case you can see as the theta increases, but the value of cos theta is not increasing, it is reducing. as the value of cos theta decreases as theta increases. So this statement is false. Now fourth, sin theta equal to cos theta for all value of theta. It is totally false. Here is the live proof. Cos theta equal to sin theta. Cos 0 degree equal to sin 90 degree, which are not equal. And cot A and cot A is not defined for A equal to 0. Now you just have to remember the trigonometric table, whether cot A is defined for A equal to 0 or not. So cot so for cot A, it is 1 upon 0. It will just reverse of 10, so it will become 1 by 0. So it will be undefined. So it will be true. This statement is true. So this exercise has been ended. Meet you in next exercise.